75% of them are my own people that went there. But many of them are coming back now. If I can be able to convince maybe about almost 75 to 80% more, if they join us, do you understand? Then we will not need him. But as it stands now, I'm ready to sacrifice, you understand, whatever it takes in order for the party to be stable. You understand what I'm saying? To be stable in the state. That is why I propose that let us do reconciliation. Even though if you, Ladi, you said that you want governor, it's okay. I give you. I don't have any problem. But you want governor, that does not mean that only you will be the candidate of if we want the PDP to win in Ogun State. Yes, all of us can support you, can be behind you, but likewise other people can come and contest. But as for me, never. I will never contest for any position in Ogun State again. But there's no way you will be seeing yourself as Alpha Omega, the way Ladi is doing, and you think that the party will move forward. It's not possible. Because you, if you want to contest for governorship, you want to be a candidate tomorrow, the other want to be a candidate, as soon as you know that Ladi is the sole, you understand what I'm saying, candidate in the PDP, will you come? You won't join them now. So how do we want the party to be settled? It's going to be difficult. And that is what the game that is playing now. He is thinking he is Alpha Omega. He alone can win. You joined APM, you did not win. How manage you can be thinking, imagine that yes, if only you, if you don't reconcile with Kashamu, you don't reconcile with OGD, you don't reconcile with Bakole, only you can win the election in Ogun State. He must be joking. He doesn't know what he's doing. So we have started. There's no any problem in Ogun State anymore. The only person that is causing the problem is Ladi Adebutu. And I urge the national for them to leave us because all politics are local. They should leave us for us to resolve our problem in the state.